Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss about pairs of lines. Here you see that these are intersecting lines. This Y or this one or a blackboard stand. These are intersecting lines, right? Besides that, we see that here two lines L and M intersect if they have a point in common. This common point is their point of intersection, right? Now let's see the traversal. Transversal. What is transversal? You might have seen a road crossing two or more roads or a railway line crossing several other lines. This gives an idea of transversal, right? A line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal, right? A line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. Here you see these two lines L and M and P is the transversal. Here also that L and P and M is converted to is transversal. Right. Now the line P is not a transversal although it cuts two lines L and M. Can you say why? In figure 5.3, 5.23, right? The line P is not a transversal. Here see the line P is not a transversal, right? Although it cuts two lines L and M at one point, right? But what is the definition? A line that intersects two or more lines at distinct points is called a transversal. Here in this case, this is a transversal, but this P is not a transversal, right? Angles made by transversal. You have to know the name which angle is formed by transversal, right? Here you see lines L and M. This is L, this is M, and this is the transversal. This is point angle 1, 2, 3, 4, angle 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you see interior angles. Which are interior angles you see here? There is angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. These are interior angles. So you have to remember this one, right? Exterior angles outside. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, and angle 8. Pairs of corresponding angles. Corresponding, that means angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angle. Angle 2, angle 6 are corresponding angle. Angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and 8 are corresponding angles. Here of alternate interior angles. Alternate, that means angle 3 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 and angle 6, angle 4 and angle 5. These are pairs of alternate interior angles. Pairs of alternate exterior angles. Pairs of alternate exterior angle 1 and angle 1 and angle 8, angle 2 and angle 7, right? Angle 2 and angle 7, angle 1 and angle 8, these are pairs of alternate exterior angles. Pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal. This is the transversal same side, 3 and 5. Angle 3 and 5 and angle 4 and 6, these are pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal, right? Now alternate interior angles like angle 3 and angle 6, 5.26, this one. Alternate interior angles, angle 3, angle 6 in figure 5.26 have different vertices, are opposite sides on the transversal and lie between the two lines. These are alternate interior angles, right? Now transversal of parallel lines, right? Transversal of parallel lines. Transversal parallel lines gives rise to quite interesting results. Here you see these are various parallel lines and these are the transversal. This is the transversal, right? Here also you see these are parallel lines and this is the transversal. This is parallel lines and this is the transversal. If two parallel lines are cut by transversal, each of the pair of corresponding angles are equal in measure, right? Here you see that this is a parallel lines and this is the transversal. That is corresponding angle. That is angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. Angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Angle 7 is equal to angle 8. These are corresponding angles, right? When T cuts the parallel line L and M, we get angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Angle 3 vertically opposite angle 3 equal to angle 7. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. and angle 7 equal to angle 8. Angle 7 is equal to angle 7 is equal to angle 8, corresponding angles. Angle 7 is equal to angle 8 is the corresponding angles, right? Therefore, angle 3 is equal to angle 8. Angle 3 is equal to angle 8, right? It can similarly show that angle 1 equal to angle 6. Thus, we have the following result. If two parallel lines are cut by transversal, each of the pair of alternate interior angles equals alternate interior. That means this one angle 1 is equal to angle 6, angle 3 is equal to angle 8. Right? Right? Also, you can say that this one similarly angle 1 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree and angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. If two parallel lines are cut by transversal, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, that means 180 degree, right? Now here also you see that these are different transversal. L parallel to M and T is the transversal, then X is equal to, here is this is 60, therefore this will be equal, therefore this is also 60 degree. Here you also see that this is parallel lines AB and C is the transversal. As if this is 50 degree, this is alternate interior angles, alternate angles, Y is also 55 degree. Here also you see, if L1, L2 two parallel lines, L and L2, L1, L2 be two lines and T is the transversal, this is T is the transversal, right? Is angle 1 is equal to angle 2? No, because this is not a parallel lines, it is not equal. Here the L and M is parallel, L is parallel to M and T is a transversal, right? Therefore this is 60 degree, therefore J will also be 60 degree, right? Here also lines L parallel to M, L parallel to M, this 120 degree, the corresponding angles it is also be 120 degree, X is equal to 120 degree. Lines L parallel to M, L parallel to M and P parallel to Q, P parallel to Q. Find A, B, C, D, right? We know this is parallel, therefore this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 60, that means it is also 60 degree. Or sum of the interior angles is 180 degree, therefore see this is 60 degree, this is 120 degree. So this is 120, this will be also 120 degree, right? In this way you can find all the angles. Checking for parallel lines. Here you see. Thus, when a transversal cut two lines, such pairs of corresponding angles are equal, then the angles have to be parallel. If the corresponding angles are equal, then you can say that the lines have to be parallel. Here you see, these are alternate angles, right? When a transversal cut two lines, such pairs of alternate interior angles are equal, lines have to be parallel. That means if the corresponding angles are equal, then the lines will be parallel. If the interior angles are equal, then also the lines are parallel, right? In this case, thus when a transversal cut two lines such that pairs of interior angles on the same side of the transversal supplementary, the lines have to be parallel. These are the different conditions that when the two lines are parallel. Here you see in this case, this is L and M, this angle is this angle, alternate angle, therefore we can say that L and M is parallel to each other. Here you see this is 50 degree, right? This is 130 degree, therefore this will be 50 degree. Is this alternate interior angles are equal, then we can say that L and M are parallel to each other. Here also there are two lines L and M, and here you see if the sum of the interior angles is 180 degree, then it is a parallel, right? Here you see this is 70 degree, right? Since these are parallel, it is also 70 degree, therefore this angle is 100. This is 70, that is 120 degree. 100, this is 70, 110 degree, right? In this way you can find the various values. That means if you satisfy the condition of parallel lines, then you can say that corresponding angles are equal, alternate angles are equal, or you can say the sum of the angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary or 180 degree, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.